back to the channel. So I got some epic planned for you guys today. I've already taken the footage, so I kind of know what happened. This is how I'm going to do my intros from now on. I got some buddies out at the park on Saturday. First we went to the silos and we was flying around, and I crashed my little 2-inch drone pretty quick and smashed up my Insta360, as you guys seen from the previous video. So I'm gonna have to either get that fixed or replaced before I can get any more Insta footage. But yeah, I was flying around, I was doing good, having a blast, and I had the Insta on it recording, and I ended up smashing it into the silos, and it corrupted the file, so I can't even get the footage off there. I got my goggles were recording, so maybe I'll have that in the video. But we went out to the silos, and I brought my RC trucks, and had some other guys with me that flew FPV drones, and they were chasing me around. And we had a little bit of fun there, and I wanted to keep flying, but I couldn't. All I could fly was line of sight because I crashed my drone and broke it. And they were chasing me with FPV drones. So check out this video and I'll see you at the end. Roll that footage.
under me. Chained from within, forsaken my will. For supremacy you can't deny, fueled by agony to evil rise. Hate, rage, shame, in the ministry of some denial, find a legacy to realize. Hate, rage, in the arms of anger.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel, support my dreams, and give yourself some good karma. So the next video to come out is probably gonna be something to do with these down here. I've gotten everything that's down here fixed. So now I just need to take it out and test it and see how it runs and make sure everything's working properly. I might do a video like a compilation or something of me testing all these. I'm going to try to test all of them and make it into one video. It's just going to be a quick run of each car and make sure it's running right and stuff. But that's going to do it. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.